Hi, beautiful soul. I'm so grateful you're here. I'm Kelly, and I've been on my own journey of learning to slow down and truly meet myself, not through doing or researching or trying to fix anything, but through allowing. Creating these meditations has been part of that healing for me. They've helped me connect more deeply with my own soul, to release energy that was never really mine, and to open to something softer, more peaceful, and real. And that's what I want for you. Not perfection, but peace. A reminder that you don't have to wait for a certain day or month to start fresh. The new year, the new energy, begins the moment you choose to be present with yourself. So before we begin, let's take a moment to affirm what's already true. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this body, this moment, this awareness. I am grateful that I can see differently now, that I have the power to create peace from within. Thank you for being here with me. If you are new here, welcome to Wise Intuition. I'm so thankful for this space and for the shared journey we're on, remembering together who we really are. You've arrived right here, right now, in the soft threshold between what was and what is becoming. This moment is your altar of remembrance. Take a deep, slow breath in. Feel how spirit moves through the breath, the invisible becoming visible, light becoming form. As you exhale, release the noise of the old year, the tension, the doubt, the fragments of who you thought you had to be. Now breathe again, slower this time. Golden light rises through your feet, grounding you into the earth's embrace. Emerald light flows into your heart, opening you to compassion, connection, and truth. Indigo light crowns your awareness, expanding your vision to see clearly who you are. The breath is how your divinity speaks through matter. Each inhale whispers, I am the spirit remembering its body. Each exhale sighs, I am the body remembering its spirit. Stay here for a moment, suspended between breaths, feeling heaven and earth meet within your chest. You are not here to escape this world. You are here to embody it, to let the divine move through you in color, in motion, in life. This is what alignment feels like, remembrance embodied. Let's affirm this softly. I am the bridge between the infinite and the intimate. I am the embodiment of consciousness in motion. Through me, the universe experiences its own beauty. Feel warmth rising through your spine, as if each vertebra were a candle lighting the next, the inner flame of awareness awakening again. This is your soul remembering its own brilliance. You have chosen this incarnation, this timeline, this very now. Long before this life, your spirit agreed to awaken and to remember, to live the miracle of light expressing itself through matter. Can we just pause right here for a quick moment to deeply realize the true beauty of the last statement, allowing that to sink into every corner of our awareness? It is truly magnificent and beautiful. Say this with me again. My spirit agreed to awaken and to remember, to live the miracle of light expressing itself through matter. Whisper, this is a new beginning. I am awake to this moment. And I am grateful for all that has brought me here. Let gratitude rise through your body for the breath that connects you, the body that carries you, and the light that is you. Every breath you take sanctifies this human life. You are the miracle remembering itself. Now imagine your energy field expanding, luminous geometry of living light continuously reweaving itself in perfect harmony. Every cell glows with awareness, every atom sings with gratitude. You are both ancient and brand new. As you breathe, imagine releasing the last threads of the old year, any heaviness, regret, or lingering fear. See them dissolving into golden mist, alchemized into blessings. Now feel the new frequency entering you, bright, steady, alive. This is not energy you chase. It is energy you remember. It has always been yours. Affirm with me. I release what was heavy and I hold only the light. I step into the new year with clarity and grace. I am the creator of my own frequency, and that frequency is love. I no longer fear change, for I am the change itself. I no longer chase freedom, for I am freedom embodied. Feel the harmonics settle into a steady tone, the heartbeat of the universe aligning with yours. This is the new you, not created by effort, but revealed by remembrance. You have arrived home in yourself. Carry this light into the new year, into every sunrise, every quiet moment, every breath. You are spirit in motion, divinity in form, love remembering itself again and again. Thank you for sharing this moment of remembrance. If this message resonated, take a breath of gratitude and share this light with others. Until next time, walk gently, shine boldly, and remember, every breath you take sanctifies this human life.